Hi viewers, Vanakkam, Vandanam, Namaskaram. You are watching Aha Namma channel. It's full and full education and entertainment. Watch the video carefully and learn it everything.
Now we have to see the question number 8. Parveen want to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box-like structure with tarpaulin that covers all the four sides and the top of the car, with the front face as a flap which can be rolled. Assuming that the stitching margins are very well and very small and therefore negligible, how much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter of height 2.5 meter with the base dimension 4 meter and 3 meter? The base dimension is nothing but length, which is equal to 4 meter, and then breadth, which is equal to 3 meter. So here height, length, breadth is there. So clearly we know that this is the cuboidal structure. This is a cuboidal structure. So out of this, how much tarpaulin we need? So we have to find out the total surface area of that shelter. We got the required tarpaulin, and only one condition, we have to take only the 5 side. We remove the base. So base means what? The dimension. The base means dimension, it is length into breadth. So we have to take total surface area of a shelter minus area of a base. So 2 into LB plus BH plus HL minus LB. So here they have to given the value of length, breadth, height is there. Length which is equal to 4 meter, breadth which is equal to 3 meter, and height which is equal to 2.5 meter. So by substituting this value, we have to find out the required tarpaulin. So here we take the value of pi, which is equal to 22 by 7. By substituting a value, we see the total area. Now we see the solution. So that shelter should be in a box shape. So we have to take the given value, that is height 2.5 meter and length 4 meter, breadth 3 meter. We have to find how much tarpaulin we have to used. So it should be, you see that this is in the cuboidal shape. So what we have to find out, we need to find out total surface area of the cuboid, but the base is not included because the car is stand in the road. We have to cover in the 5 side, not in the base. So that's why we have to take only 5 side. So total tarpaulin required, which is equal to total surface area of box structure minus area of base. So total box structures, the box structure, you see that there is a cuboidal, it should be 2 into LB plus BH plus HL minus the base. Base is that what we have to take, that is length and breadth. So minus LB. So just we have to substitute the value. What the value? 2.5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter. So 2.5 into 4, length into breadth, sorry. So I take length into breadth. So here length into breadth is there. So first one we take 4 into 3 plus breadth into height. So 3 into 2.5 plus height into L. So finally we take 2.5 into 4 minus length into breadth 4 into 3. So now you have to multiply 4 3s are 12 meter square plus 7.5 meter square plus 10 meter square minus 12. So just I have to add this 3. 2 into 12, 19.5 and 29.5. 29.5 meter square minus 12 meter square. This one, which is equal to 59 meter square minus 12 meter square, which is equal to 59 minus 12, you get 47 meter square. So total tarpaulin required, which is equal to 47 meter square. So total tarpaulin required to make shelter, which is equal to 47 meter square. So 47 meter square. So in this exercise we have to see only cube and cuboid. In next exercise we move on to right circular cylinder. So first we have to go with the concept of total surface area and curved surface area of the cylinder. Now I show this is a rectangle with the length L and a breadth B. So I just I have to show this one. This rectangle sheet can be folded like this. Fold like this means it's become a cylinder. So the breadth can be joined like this. So this is the joining point of the breadth. So I mentioned the breadth, and this length can be becomes this outer edge of the circular base. So length. Now you observe what is breadth and what is length. So length is equal to circumference of circle base. Circumference of the circular base, which is equal to 2 pi r. So next we move on to the breadth. Breadth is equal to the height of the cylinder. So breadth, which is equal to height. Now you see the area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle, which is equal to L into B. So 2 pi r into h. 2 pi r h. Now you see what are the area. So this is the area of the portion where we have. So area of a rectangle, which is equal to curved surface area of the cylinder. So CSA of cylinder, which is equal to 2 pi RH square units. Next we move on to total surface area. Total surface area. Total surface area. So this is the cylinder. So this is the cylinder. So what is meant by total surface area? We take whole. So one should be curved surface area, that is CSA, plus you see that one of the base in your top, of another one of the base in your bottom. What is the base? Is that circular base. How many circular base? 2 circular base. So plus 2 into area of circular base. So now you see curved surface area, already we find out 2 pi RH plus 2 into area of a circular base, that is pi r square. So 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. Now we observe 2 is common, I take it out. Pi is common, I can take it out. R is common, I take it out. Remaining H is there and plus R is there. So this is the formula to find out total surface area of a right circular cylinder. 2 pi r H plus R square units. And next we move on to the example sums. Example number 3. Now we have to see example number 3. Savitri had to make a model of a cylindrical kaleidoscope for her science project. So in this point we observe the structure is cylinder. She wanted to use chart paper to make curved surface of the kaleidoscope. And what would be the area of chart paper required by her if she wanted to make a kaleidoscope of length 25 centimeter with the 3.5 centimeter radius. You may take pi, which is equal to 22 by 7. Here they have to given clearly what the shape is this. The shape of a kaleidoscope is cylinder, and what the type we have to use to make by using chart paper we have to make the kaleidoscope. We have to find out the required chart paper. Required chart paper where the portion we have to cover. That one also they have to clearly the curved surface of the kaleidoscope. So curved surface means we have to take curved surface area of the cylindrical kaleidoscope. So in a previous I have to explain regarding what is total surface area and what is curved surface area. So if here we have to find out curved surface area of the cylinder, we get how much chart paper she need to make.
See the solution for the example number 3. Already detailed explained regarding Savitri want to make kaleidoscope for the science project. So kaleidoscope is in a cylinder form. Kaleidoscope is in a cylinder form. So you know that this is the formation of the kaleidoscope. She need to cover with chart paper here. She need to cover with chart paper. So here one of the glass lens, here one of the glass lens. So we need to find out how much chart paper she used to cover to make the kaleidoscope. How much chart paper she used. So area of a chart paper requirements curved surface area of the kaleidoscope, because where the chart paper can be used only the outer surface, that is the circular part, only this curved surface part only. Here this base we have to fix the lens to see. Okay, so that's why where the chart paper can be used only the curved surface. So area of chart paper required, which is equal to curved surface area of kaleidoscope. So here kaleidoscope is in cylindrical form. So what is curved surface area of a cylinder? That is 2 pi RH square units. Now we need to know what is the radius of the kaleidoscope, what is the radius height of the kaleidoscope. So here they have to given the values height. So in a question they have to reason length of the kaleidoscope. So length in a cylindrical base we take it as a height. So length which is equal to height, which is equal to 25 centimeter, and radius which is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now we need to apply the value. 2 into pi, the value is 22 by 7 into r. R should be 3.5 centimeter into h. So h is nothing but 25. So 25 centimeter. Now you need to cancel this. 1 7s are 7, 3 7s are 35. So 1 is the point, 1 decimal point is there, 0.5. So now 2 into 22 into 0.5 centimeter into 25 centimeter. Now what we have to do? So now you need to multiple 2 into 22 into 0.5 into 5. So 5 into 25 you got 125. That should be 12.5 centimeter square. I just explained how it is happened. 5 into 25 you got 125. So this is 0.5. This is 0.5. How many decimal point? Only 1 point. So you take only one decimal. So the value is 12.5. So that's what I take. Now I just 2 into 12.5, it becomes 25 into 22. Now you have to multiple 2 into 25, you got 50. Again 2 into 25 you got 50. So answer is 550 centimeter square. 550 centimeter square. So this much area, this much chart paper required to make kaleidoscope for her Savitri, to make cylindrical kaleidoscope for a science project. So 550 centimeter square. So finally you return area of chart paper required, which is equal to 550 centimeter square. So on this basis cylinder, I have to attach some worksheet to you. You have to do that on the day itself. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம இந்த சேனலை